Hello, with me is Steli Loznen from Israel. He is an expert in safety, healthcare aspects. So what drove you to come to Berlin?
First of all, really I am happy to be here because this is the first time when attend one event organized by the Consumer Electronics Society of IEEE. I know that my society, and I talk my society is the society in which I am member, it's Product Safety Engineering Society. From few years it's in contact with the Consumer Electronic Society, and this I think it's a very important thing to cooperate between these two societies because we have one common point, and this common point is the safety aspects of the product which consumer electronic products with which we deal, your society deal. And I take this opportunity to come this year in Berlin because one of the subjects which is very important for me is aspects related to the health, which now with some big noise is done like one of the main area of development and of business for consumer electronics. And this need to make some clarification in my opinion. The clarification is to make a strict delimitation line between the equipments which fall in the area of the consumer electronics properly and the equipment which fall in the area of medical devices. If this delimitation is not clear, many misinterpretation and unfortunately many accidents can be generated by one incorrect use of the information provided by this new kind of equipment in consumer electronics with the big name health, mobile health.
So I'm looking forward to see some presentations that try to combine or bridge the two worlds, connect the two worlds. From the sessions you followed up to now, there are so many different sessions for consumer electronics. Are there some subjects that are more interesting for you, image and video processing, transmission aspects, or?
The aspects properly related with the processing of the video or audio signals are not very long distance for me, because my background is electronic engineer. I'm an electronic engineer, and these things are also interesting for me, which I try and which I think that will be very useful. It's one kind of, not talking overlapping, but cooperation between Product Safety Engineering Society and the Consumer Electronic Society from the safety point of view. In one of my intervention during the first day of the event was how it's regarded the aspect of performance in the consumer electronics related on one side to the safety of the product, which is regulated by some standards, very good and very useful, like 6335 family for householding equipment, or the new standard 62368, which practically make the merging between, I'm talking about IEC standards, which make the merging between former IEC 60950 and IEC 6000065, which was only for video and audio equipment. But the aspect of the performance, and this is all the aspects related with the processing of the image or the audio signal, are not one specific objective for the Consumer Electronics Society.